Okay, some technical issues, okay, was going on. So I want to remind you that we are trading today on the ADP, okay, employment change, okay. Anthony Kross with you guys. Sorry for these technical issues. So we just opened the first trade and it was successful in the money. We are waiting right now for the Euro USD and USD cut as the second session. Okay, the ADP non-farm employment was 170k is the forecast, and the actual result was 183,000. Okay, so that's good to hear. And we can trade today US dollar for up direction. Okay, so I think that this session we need to cover up with the 500. Okay. Okay, meanwhile, yes, I'm gonna finish the Euro USD session and we'll open the USD GPY in order to trade only on the US dollar today. Okay, so I will take right now, I will prepare everything for the trade. I will use 200. We'll wait for the at least Euro USD to finish, then I will run the new session. Because for the USD cut we have pretty not predictable situation. I can see that US dollar against the Canadian is going down. So I will do like this. I'm gonna wait for finish of Euro USD trade. Okay, and then right now I can take my trade for the up direction. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, I'm gonna wait for the USD CAD to finish the trade. Let's just take a look there. Pretty good position right now. But let's see how the general trend is gonna be. Okay. So, for those who just joined it, I want to remind you that right now we are having the third session. We closed the first session for the Euro USD successfully. Okay, we ran the two trades, I think, and the USD cut and the USD GPY is still running. So we're gonna close down the second session for the USD cut when we still have one running. So once again, guys, I'm gonna look for something with US dollar, USD CAD, USD CHF. That's good. That's good, guys. Okay, what I can see right now that's having the US dollar is having the opposite movement regarding the other currency pairs with the US dollar as the main currency. Okay, but still, I do believe that the direction of ADP is gonna take place, the actual direction, and the US dollar is gonna rise up. So let me open the trade for the high direction. Okay. Okay, guys, USD GPY we need to cover. I can see. For those who just joined, I want to remind that we just opened the fourth session and we are having the two current running session. Okay, let us recover it fastly. The 60 seconds with 1250, so we can not waste our time and move forward. Okay, I'm telling you that we still have the two running sessions, but we opened the three trades. Okay, for the USD GPY, incidentally, it was over the 10 minutes trade. Okay, so I want to skip the time. I want to open with the higher investment amount and move forward and open the same trades and look for the new sessions. Okay, for the USD GPY, I can think to do the same. The 500, so we can skip the time of waiting and we can open more sessions. I want to show you that it can be possible to open as much sessions as possible, or I can see that liquidity provider is giving us the less options to open the trades. Okay, so let's wait for the current result of the USD and then I will look for the 2 more sessions because USD is currently running and it's taking our time. Okay, meanwhile let's go to the search and look for some currency pairs. Okay, Euro CHF, GBP, USD. I like this idea. Okay, I'm gonna open the GBP USD for the down direction. I do expect that we have right now the down move. Okay, the 200 is gonna go right now into the financial market. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna finish right now USD. Once again, misclick. Guys, be very attentive when you do open trades because you can be misclicking as I am right now. Okay, USD GPY session went successfully. Okay, so I'm running right now the GBP USD session. Okay, once again I use the 500 in order to skip the time of waiting. Okay. Okay, meanwhile, as I said, we have closed down the USD CHF. Okay, we closed down USD GPY, USD CAD, Euro CHF. We are waiting for the USD CHF. USD GPY we already closed down. So currently we have only the 2 running sessions. Okay, GBP USD and the USD CHF. Okay, so I'm gonna right now look for the third session. I can allow myself to look for one more session. Okay, so guys, USD CHF, USD Swiss krona, Swedish krona, I mean. Okay, guys, so let's select, dear colleagues, Audi USD. Today I'm gonna take this trade for the trading today. Okay, Audi USD, US dollar, I suppose, as I said, to rise up. So I will open the low trades, okay, but I need to wait for the better price so I can sell it for the higher price. If it's gonna be now, I hope. Okay, I understand. Okay, this price is gonna be the best. Okay, guys, and you see the reflection on the chart. Let's wait for this one, and meanwhile, let me take a look on the current sessions. We have the USD CHF, we have the GBP USD session closed successfully, we have the AUD USD and USD CHF. So what I'm gonna do right now, dear colleagues, probably I'm not gonna recover the USD CHF, but instead of that I will use the higher investment amount, okay, so I can recover the USD CHF, and most probably I will use it with not Euro AUD. I will use right now USD Norwegian krona, USD Canadian dollar. I hope we didn't take it today. Give me a second. USD CAD, we took it today. Okay, but it does have the interesting movement. Okay, let us wait for this session to finish. Out of the money. Okay. Okay, so we are using here the 500. Okay, reminding you that we ended up with Audi USD. Okay, not successfully. GBP USD went successfully. And the USD CHF we need to cover up with another trade. So therefore I'm waiting for Audi USD to finish, because as you can see we have the 500 as the second step for this trade. Okay, and as I said to you, I will open for the USD CAD the 500 trade for the 500 in order to recover the USD CHF. Let us do this. USD Canadian dollar. Okay, USD, here we go. So guys, I'm gonna enter right now the, let me take a look at the chart. Okay, probably the volatility of the asset is already ended. So here I will use the 500 as the first step, as I said, and I will trade for up direction. Okay, 60 seconds, here we go. Okay, still, the Audi USD is giving us a little bit headache right now. So therefore we couldn't restore it. Okay guys, Audi USD once again is going out of the control. I will use here 1250. Reminding you that that is the fifth session and that is the third step in the row we are doing for the Audi USD. The price reached, as you can see, the highest level since almost 20 minutes. Okay, so we can take a look and make our decision to go for down for the Audi USD. Currently it's USD CAD 500. Okay, let's use the 1250. High volatility. Let us open trade. Yes, it did allow us to open trade. Okay, so we have right now Audi USD. Okay, and the USD GPY is still going slowly. So we have down right now approximately 6 sessions. Okay, 2 of them we right now are trying to end in the money. That is the Audi USD and the USD Canadian dollar. Okay, we are trying to end this in the profit. Okay, so then we can move forward. So Audi USD, guys, congratulations, we ended in the money, and the USD CAD is, I can see, trying to go up. We still have the 50 for almost 45 seconds. Okay, and I can tell you that this AGP was not so much predictable, but still we have got the good result. Okay, and after the webinar, okay, we will make, let's say, the pause, and we're gonna take a look on how much did we make today. Okay, so we are still waiting for this trade. GBP USD, I want to remind you that we already covered this with the different asset. GBP USD 500, yes, we did cover it. Okay, Audi USD, we covered it from the third step. USD CAD, we are still waiting. So guys, congratulations, the trade's finished. Okay, let us take a look how much we have made today. So let us open transactions. Okay, so let us take a look with how much did we start this webinar. Okay, the sort. Okay, what was the time? Okay, we started this webinar with, it's February already, guys. Okay, so we started this webinar with 100,058.650 and ended at the. So guys, we have made today 2,300 US dollars just in a matter of 20 minutes. Okay, I can tell you that's a good result, and we have made, I think, around the 6 session in the row, and from time to time we were keeping even the 3 sessions on the one table, let's say like that. That is the good result, guys, and I want to congratulate everybody with that webinar, and I wish you the good luck in trading. If you have any questions regarding the strategy which I just used on the screen, okay, you can contact me on the email anthony.k@finmax.com, okay, and I will be glad to help you out. So you have a great day, stay in the money, and see you in the financial market.